everybody, and welcome back to Luigi's Mansion Dark Moon. And yeah, let's go. Oops. Spooky. Why does it ask the camera? No. Can you see the ominous lamp in the back? Okay. Sorry about the lamp. I'm trying to rock it with my leg. Okay, that's the best it's gonna get. I'm sorry! I'm not a creeper! We gotta catch that ghost. And we're gonna do it. So spooky. We did it. Okay, that was weird. Why didn't it just go in there? Okay. Got it. I don't think that's it. What else do we have to do? Oh, now he's calling me. Okay, if I knew there was this much left, I would have just finished it back in the other video. I guess we can go ahead and go to the next level. It's completely pitch black now on this camera. But it's not black at all here in the real world. Well, since this is a little bit shorter than I expected, I guess I can just go ahead and end the part now and upload it now. Because if this was going to be longer, I would have uploaded it tomorrow, but I really thought there was going to be a lot more stuff we had to do. So, yeah. I'll see you in the next episode, everybody. Bye-bye. Yep. Bye-bye indeed.